If you don't like this video, don't watch this video. Period.
Next time I fuck you, I don't want you to say I love you. And next time you suck it, don't touch it. Do something that's gonna make me come quick. I wanna see how you bust it. But if you start bugging, I'ma go back and start acting like I never met you. My money bigger if I take your bitch, man. I don't mean to be disrespectful.
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Bre'yana Jasmain, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is a highly, when I say highly, I mean highly requested video on how I do my eyebrows. Now, I haven't really been doing my makeup lately, but we still looking right though. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so for my eyebrows, I like to use 2 different kind of spoolies half the time. So I either like to use this one with the pen on it. This is the LA Colors spoolie. Or I like to use this Max Studio spoolie. You can use any kind of spoolie for real. And to shape out my eyebrows, I like to use this pencil because it has a sharpener at the end. So yeah, you can either use one that has like a pencil like this. This is almost out, so see it's not coming out. But you can use either or, both work good. But after I shape my eyebrows, I like to go on with this just to get ready for this. Now this is dip brow, so I like to use all 3. Then to clean up my eyebrows, I like to use which one is this? I think it's the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, but yeah, it's the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, but I'm gonna have to get a new one soon. I like to use this first to clean it up. Then I'll go on with these 2 colors right here to clean it up more. But before you start your eyebrows, you want to make sure that your face is clean, because you want the application for your eyebrows to be better. And then I use this brush or angled brush to clean up my eyebrows, and I use this angled brush with my dip brow. So let's get started.
everything about you. Everything about you.
Okay, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share.